Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Home tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Home Mini. So it's very easy. All we need to do is make sure that the Google Home Mini is plugged in and on. And once we do that, just flip it over. And as you can see, near the connector is a little circle. We're just going to hold down this circle. The light on top will turn orange.
Completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And it's going to continue to count until it resets when it changes colors. Alright, now that we're green, I can let go. And now it'll reboot and reset the device. And this can take a minute or two. So it took about a minute or two, but now it's fully reset and it's ready to be set up via the Google Home app. If you have any questions about how to reset your Google Home Mini, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like a detailed write-up of how to do this, check the description or my blog at gauginggadgets.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.